Good morning. You are listening to Jamin, your news anchor from Lavara Media. Here we bring you the latest update news of 30 June from around in the world. The central government lifted the lockdown across India last month after a month of strict lockdown. Thought the decide was taken resembling of economic activities in fight. The fact remained that the Indian struggle at the coronavirus carrying on. In fact, it has only gotten worse from the past few weeks, campaigning several states to implement lockdown once again, even if in select cities and district case in point Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Assam, Maharashtra, which continue to be the most severely affected Indian state to is adopting different measures across different regions in order to curb the spread of COVID-19. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi asked to the Indian government to stop properly from the motor fuel and roll back present hikes. The price of petrol and diesel have increased by time during the lockdown. If there was a war between India and China, then this war is not going to be confined to two countries. This war can be world war because in India times many times consider Indian has two friendship and some country has deep friendship with China. Today, according to a report in this subject, we will try to know that if there is a war between India and China, then which country will be with whom. Baba Ramdev company Patanjali Ayurveda had claimed to making coronavirus medicine. Yogi Baba Ramdev has also launched this medicine on Tuesday. With this launch, this drug's remained Coronial has been mired in controversy. The responsible of Dr. Harsh Vardhan Union, the health minister, has no come to fore. He has said that the Ayush minister investigation that I have came to know that the Ayush minister has obtained all the information result to medicine from Baba Ramdev. Karnataka Education Minister S. Suresh said on Monday the decide reopen schools shut down amid the coronavirus pandemic in state will be taken after July 5. New agency ANI reporting the minister said the Karnataka has formed any except committee based on the guideline laid down by the central from class 1 to 10. I Pooja Kumari will comes with news update tomorrow. Stay tuned. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.